welcome back to another amazing Arcade Lab solution video in which we will be doing log analytics on Google Cloud of Arcade Level 1 January. So first we will start this lab. It will take some time. We have to wait for it. And is it provisioning lab resources? So finally lab start हो चुकी है तो अब हम इसे इनकॉग्निटो विंडो में ओपन करेंगे. Click I understand. Click I agree and continue. नेक्स्ट हम यहाँ पे आके स्टेप 1 देखेंगे. तो हमें सबसे पहले क्लाउड शेल का यूज करना है. तो पहले हम क्लाउड शेल को एक्टिवेट करेंगे. देन क्लिक कंटिन्यू. क्लाउड शेल को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए हम इस पे क्लिक करेंगे. देन ऑथराइज. क्लाउड शेल के ओपन होने के बाद हम टास्क पे फिर जाएंगे एंड इस कमांड को कॉपी करेंगे एंड इधर रन करेंगे. इससे हमारा जोन सेट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट हमें इस कमांड को यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट हमें इस कमांड को यूज करना है. This command was for get nodes. For task 2, we have to run this GitHub command. इसके बाद हमें डायरेक्टरी चेंज करनी है एंड देन हमें एक ऐप इंस्टॉल करना है यूजिंग qwiklabs. नेक्स्ट हमें कंफर्म करना है कि वो सब काम कर रहे हैं. We will wait till all things are done. As you can see, there are some things like 0 out of 1. We have to wait till they are 1 out of 1. So keep running the command again and again until you see all of them complete. फाइनली जब सब के सब कंप्लीट हो जाए तो उसके बाद हमें इस कमांड को रन करना है to get the external IP of the application. एक्सटर्नल IP हमारे पास आ चुकी है. नेक्स्ट हमें ऐप को कंफर्म करना है if it is running. We got 200 as output. So yes, it is working fine. Now for task 3, we have to go to logging, सर्च लॉगिंग ये, इसको आप यहाँ से मिनिमाइज कर सकते हो। Now we have to now we have to upgrade our existing bucket like default bucket. So we will click upgrade in the side of default bucket, and then it has upgraded. We have to wait for the upgrade to complete, and next we have to create a new log bucket with name d2ops log. It will be given to you as well. Pay attention. Now the upgrade has been completed, so we will create a new log bucket with that name we copied earlier. Then we come back to here. We have to check these two things. In the region, we have to select global. Then we have to enter this name. Next. Now just create the bucket. And the new bucket has been created. We'll come back to our lab to check our progress. It may take some time to update. And it has completed. Now write to new log bucket. We will go to log explorer. Then we have to enter this query in the query field. And then we have to create a sync. From here, actions, and create a sync. Now this may be annoying, so we will close this cloud shell. We will use this name as the sync name. Then we click next. Sync destination, we will select logging bucket, and then we will select the new log bucket that we just created. That is this. Now next, now we will click the create sync, and the sync was successfully created. Let's check our progress, and it is completed. And congratulations, the lab has been completed. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe the channel. Also join our WhatsApp channel for being updated regarding all the updates. Thank you. You can just end the lab